Welcome back to the Auto Crafters. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Tata Punch Facelift, the compact SUV that has been turning heads with its aggressive styling, tech-loaded cabin, and safety upgrades. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly yet premium mini SUV, you'll want to stick around till the end. The first thing you'll notice about the new Tata Punch is its updated design, which follows Tata's latest Impact Design 2.0 philosophy. The new grille features a more pronounced pattern, flanked by sleeker LED DRLs, similar to what we see on the Tata Harrier and Safari facelifts. Moving to the side, the new 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels give the car a fresh look while maintaining its compact and muscular proportions. The black cladding along the wheel arches and body panels enhances its SUV character, making it look more off-road ready. At the rear, the tail lamps now come with a connected LED light bar, adding to the premium feel. The bumper has been slightly tweaked, and the Punch badge is now embossed on the tailgate, giving it a more modern identity. Step inside the 2025 Tata Punch, and you're greeted with an upgraded cabin that feels more premium and tech-savvy. The dashboard layout remains familiar, but Tata has introduced a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is now the centerpiece of the cockpit. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Tata's latest IRA-connected car features, giving you access to real-time vehicle updates, remote functions, and voice commands. Behind the steering wheel, you now get a 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster offering crisp animations and essential driving information. The steering itself is a new flat-bottom unit with a leather wrap, giving a sportier feel. Tata has also added steering-mounted controls for media, cruise control, and voice assistant functions. Under the hood, Tata continues to offer the 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder Revitron petrol engine, delivering 86.5 brake horsepower and 115 Nm of torque. While these figures remain unchanged, Tata has fine-tuned the engine for better refinement and efficiency. For those looking for greener alternatives, Tata has also introduced a factory-fitted CNG variant, featuring twin-cylinder technology for better boot space management. The CNG model delivers 73.5 brake horsepower and maintains an impressive fuel efficiency figure of over 26 km per kilogram. The 2025 Tata Punch Facelift isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It continues to deliver on its promise of style, practicality, and safety, all while becoming even more feature-packed. If you're considering a compact SUV, this one definitely deserves a test drive. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the 2025 Tata Punch Facelift? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.